Hey, what's happening my friends? Cameron Malcolmson here. In this video I want to give you a little quick review of the mass traffic blueprint. It's just out maybe the other day and I went ahead and got it. What I'm going to do for you here in this video is I'm going to give you the option to be able to get it for free from the link below. It's going to be super limited time only because I'm going to switch out the link so you can get this for free, and then eventually it's going to go back to my normal landing page and things like that. So super limited time, you can get the mass traffic blueprint for free. I'm going to pop it on the screen here in a wee second if you watch to the end, and I just want to walk you through basically what it is, you know, so you know what the mass traffic blueprint is. Basically, my mentor made this blueprint and he's been talking about it for years, but he only really brought it out the other day, and I went ahead and got it for myself. I'm going to, like I said, bring it up for you on the screen. But basically it's how do you manage and how do you multiply your traffic. So if you don't know anything about traffic, this is perfect for you, and it's really for any type of business because it shows you the 3 different levels of traffic. Then it shows you how do you actually manage traffic, and then how do you multiply traffic. And I'm going to explain to you, you know, basically what it is and things like that. So there's 3 different levels of traffic, and it's fast traffic, then it's strategic scale, and then it's domination. Now, the blueprints I have for myself, they're similar, but this is the main mass traffic blueprint, and it's the formula for generating endless traffic, leads and sales online. And this is something that I'm taking for myself and I'm modeling and implementing for my own business. And one of the traffic strategies in there is completely free, and it's one of the ones that I used at the very start to start and generate sales for my own online business, and it's super cool one. I'll point it out to you here in a second. But pretty much these blueprints, you know, because they're my mentors and it's taken them 14 years to really get to these ones, which are really concise, dense and really potent, and really effective when it comes to traffic generation, because there's like a million ways out there to generate traffic. You know, you can go to Fiverr, you can go to you can do Facebook Messenger, you go to Instagram, you can go to Google pay-per-click, you can do display ads, you can go to these traffic websites where you go and click on ads and someone else clicks on your ad. All these different things. You can post free posts on Facebook, all different ways to generate traffic. But basically what these blueprints are like, my mentors went out there and done all these different traffic generation strategies, and lots of them failed, like didn't really get too many results with, and then some of them really worked really well. So what these here traffic generation strategies are the most potent and most high results orientated traffic generation strategies. So I'll just walk you through a couple of them here now, and I'll explain to them, because there's the difference between having a strategy and then having a tactic, and tactics often change. So it's like you go here and you click this, like this changes all the time, where strategy never really changes. So here's some fast results traffic that you can go ahead and deploy for yourself, okay, to generate traffic for any business whatsoever. So you've got influencer traffic. So this is a strategy of where when you take a look at the marketplace and you see, okay, who's the big influencers in this industry. So say if you were in like the hospitality or something like that there, you would find someone who's like a celebrity chef, and they would endorse your thing and they would send people to your website. So this would be like an influencer strategy. Or you could find like a footballer and you had like a sports brand, and you could get the footballer to wear your sports brand, and this would be like an influencer traffic strategy. And when people seen the influencer wearing your sports brand, they would see your brand, and then they would come to check it out. So that would drive you traffic. So this is like one strategy, which is influencer traffic, and there's loads of different ways you can do it. The way I've done it before is actually finding influencers on YouTube and Instagram, paying them money to put my post on their channel in front of their audience and things like this, and then they can send me traffic this way. And this is all influencer traffic strategies. And then you get into the tactics of, you know, how you actually do it and things. The next one is 24-hour traffic, and this is where you go ahead and you can get traffic within 24 hours, and you can do it like either email drops, or you can buy like data. So you can go to like a place like Nextmart and you can buy like an email list and send out emails and things to the list of people, and you can really get into the details, you know, and really find your target demographic and things like this here, and get a tailored list for your offer and things like this. So this is like 24-hour traffic. Then you've got social media siphon, which is not really like Facebook pay-per-click, but it's actually where you do like a certain strategy, and it's not just like posting posts, things like that, what everybody's doing. It's a little bit different, and it's why I've done it at the very start to start and generate sales for myself. And it's called strategic siphon, social siphon, and it's a really stealthy one, and really cool. And it can get you, it's all like the most potent and biggest results generating strategies. So you've got influencer traffic, you've got 24-hour traffic, you've got social media siphon, then you've got display traffic, which is where you can go find like websites and you can put a little banner on the website and people see it and click, and then they'll come to your landing page and things like this. Then the last one is PPC, which is the main big one. So you go Google pay-per-click, Facebook pay-per-click, and all these different pay-per-click channels like Bing and things like this here. So these are like fast results, and these are the most potent ones. If anybody out there is telling you any different types of strategies, you know, they might well work, but some of them might not be as the best sort of strategy. These are the most potent ones that give you the biggest results, and these are all fast results, and this is where you should start. Then you've got strategic scale, which is your syndicate traffic, which is where you've got your thing going on here, and then someone else has got their thing, and you go and put your thing on theirs, and that generates the traffic. And you can do the same here, and they can put their thing on your website and send them traffic. And this is called syndicate traffic media. But you want to be well established and have what you have going on. Something that I done, kind of a strategic syndicate traffic media, was like there's the guy called Anthony Morrison, and he does like these big competitions and things like this here. And what I done was I built these here websites, and I put them into the competition, and I ended up winning like $350 in the competition. And he took my websites, which had my face on them, had my website, all my stuff on there, and because it was like a share page, when he put that into his back office where he's got all his customers, when they go and hit this button, they download it into their account, they get my website, they can change it up and all, but they see my face, and then if they see my website, CameronLimitless.com, they can go and look it up, and that's sending people to my world, which is really cool. It's like a strategic scale. This is a little way that I sort of implemented it for myself, but there's other ways you can do it on a bigger level. And then you've got the level 3, which is complete domination. We have like an automated traffic machine. Now this is where it gets really advanced, and it's somewhere I want to go, and it's where you can control your like headquarters, and then you can have people coming in, and then like one visitor will turn into 10 visitors for free, and then them 10 visitors will turn into 100 visitors. And this is like when you go for complete domination, which is really cool idea. And then you've got your manage. So that was all like getting traffic. Then you've got managing traffic. So you got your retargeting, and then you've got building your list, and this is all to do with managing and your landing page and things like that. And then you've got multiply your traffic, and when you get into multiply, it gets a little bit more advanced and things like that. So what I've done for you, my friend, is if you're interested in learning and getting this mass traffic blueprint, it's only one blueprint, and it's to do with traffic and conversions. How do you get, manage and multiply traffic for completely free? If you want the blueprints, I've left you the link below. It's for a limited time only, and you can grab the blueprint, my friend, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great one. Peace.